Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I'm going to explain question number 3 of exercise 1.1. So आपके सामने question है जो कि x square minus 3x is equal to 2x minus 6. First of all, you have to move all the things which are on the right hand side to left hand side. So let's start. We have x square minus 3x. So if we move 2x from right hand side to left hand side, the sign of 2x will be changed. Here 2x is positive. If we shift it from right hand side to left hand side, its sign will be negative 2x. If we shift 6 from right hand side to left hand side, here 6 is negative, so if we shift it, sign of 6 is positive. So in this question we have built-in factor. We have just need to take common from first things, x. If we take x common, here remaining values will be x minus 3. If we take minus 2 common, here remaining thing will be x minus 3. Now in this both we have x minus 3 common, remaining value will be x minus 2. Now put both values is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So if we find value of x is equal to 3. If we are shifting minus 3 to right hand side, so sign will be positive. And we have also need to shift x minus 2 from left hand side to right hand side. We have shifted minus 2, so here sign of 2 will be positive. So our solution set consists of 3 and 2. This is the simplest question of this exercise. Thanks for watching my video.